Hello everyone, my name is Charles B.A.B. Davide, and together with Farewell G. Kadutdut, we are going to explain how drug screening is done. For starters, let us be familiarized with the terminologies that is associated with drug screening. Drug, it is defined as an agent of chemical, physical, or biological origin intended for treating, prevention, or diagnosis of disease in man or animals. Drug screening is the process by which potential drugs are identified and optimized before selection of a candidate drug to progress to clinical trials. Also, in drug screening, there are different types. First is simple screening. It involves testing of chemical or drug candidate for one or two specific predetermined pharmacological activity. Secondly, program screening. It consists of screening the test agent or drug candidate or of a series of chemically related compounds as per a battery or pharmacologically test. And lastly, blind screening. This procedure is adopted when there is no prior pharmacological or chemical knowledge of the test compound. So how does drug screening work? The government and its agencies control the introduction of new drugs for mass-scale clinical use. Also, the World Health Organization provides guidelines for introduction and the use of new therapeutic agents. My colleague Farewell will discuss the different phases and stages of drug screening.
Phase 1 or new drug discovery. During this phase, the drug candidate molecules selected are subjected to extensive pharmacodynamic screening, adopting standard experimental pharmacology techniques consisting of approved laboratory animal model. In Phase 2 or the preclinical evaluation, during this stage, exhaustive safety evaluation of the drug candidate is carried out. In Phase 3 or clinical evaluation, the long-term toxicity evaluation and testing of the drug candidate for special toxicities like teratogenicity. Phase 3 is also subdivided into 3 stages. In Stage 1, the drug candidate is assessed for its tolerability or any side effects. During Stage 2, the drug candidate undergoes evaluation. And in Stage 3, this stage includes conduct of large-scale, controlled clinical evaluation. Is Phase 4, which is post-marketing monitoring. This phase is concerned with continued surveillance of utilization pattern of new drug and to record any previously known adverse of beneficial effect.